हेलो, नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू ग्लिट्स एंड स्पाइस एंटरटेनमेंट। मैं हूं अक्सर अकबानी सिद्दीकी और आज हमारे साथ जो गेस्ट जुड़ रही है वो काफी सारे रियलिटी शोज में अपने झंडे गाड़ चुकी है, रोडीज और उसके बाद बैटल ग्राउंड में ट्रॉफी भी लेकर आई है। निशा मिश्रा, वेलकम टू ग्लिट्स एंड स्पाइस एंटरटेनमेंट।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me here.
राइट, अभी काफी टाइम के बाद आप जैसे आफ्टर बैटल ग्राउंड कैसे ऑफ कोर्स फोन्स नहीं होंगे आपके पास, तो कैसे हाउ हाउ आर यू डीलिंग विद द रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस?
I can't tell you the moment जैसे रोडीज में तो हुआ ही था that we didn't have our phones, but रोडीज में
राइट।
I was there for like a थोड़ा सा shorter period of time, so it was still manageable. When I
या
came back from battleground, so we were there for like 5 weeks,
राइट।
and God, the moment we got our phones, it was like कि ऐसा लग रहा था हमें फोन चलाना ही नहीं आता है, बहुत टाइम हो गया है फोन यूज करके, just to hold the
ओ
phone. That entire day messaging was a task, so we like हमने पूरी बातें फोन पे ही करी, but it was like then we realized how important phone is.
राइट।
Oh God, it was crazy.
अग्री। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स टॉक अबाउट रोडीज। इट्स शॉर्ट जर्नी जैसे आपने कहा रही, पर हाउ डिड इट हैपन? बैटल ग्राउंड के जो आपने ऑडिशंस कैसे क्लियर किए, थोड़ा कुछ अगर आप बैकग्राउंड के बारे में बताएं, हाउ डिड रोडीज हैपन?
तो रोडीज, मतलब मुझे लगता नहीं है कि कोई भी ऐसा इंसान होगा जो रोडीज का फैन नहीं है. So I
अग्री।
was also like, I used to watch roadies बचपन से. Run Sir was like my inspiration and everything. So I was like, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं रोडीज में जाऊंगी as a contestant. I was always very fond of the platform. So
ओके।
what happened was, I was like, this year, let me go ahead and give the PI. I was like,
या
okay. I went for the auditions Delhi में. I cleared GD1. GD2, there was a lot of things happening in my GD. So my GD2 was like the first round. और वहाँ पे बहुत
ओके।
ज्यादा झगड़ा, पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा था. So I was like, fuck it, कोई बात नहीं, next year कर लेंगे. So I definitely didn't clear GD2. Then I was
ओके।
like, now I've got the hang of it. So now I'll be able to, make it in the coming year. And also I was
राइट।
like कि मैं दूसरे किसी सिटी में नहीं जाना चाहूंगी, because like a lot of things, work was
या
happening, everything was pretty busy. फिर
या
मेरे फ्रेंड्स, they were like कि बैटल ग्राउंड का एक रोडीज में जाने के लिए जो बैटल ग्राउंड होता है, उसके
या
लिए जस्ट पुट आउट योर वीडियो, कुछ नहीं करना, सिर्फ इंट्रो वीडियो डालनी है. दैट डे ऑल्सो आई कांट टेल यू, आई वॉज इन द ऑफिस. आई यूज टू वर्क, नाउ आई हैव लेफ्ट वर्क, बट I was in the office and I didn't have any time. I was into sales. So pura time I was busy. So what I did was, whatever videos I had like of my calisthenics, I just did a compilation and
ओके।
voice over किया मैंने. I just uploaded it. And I had no hope कि कुछ आएगा response. I just did it because my friends were like, please do it.
हाँ।
So I did it, okay. I think 2 days later, a girl calls me from Rodies and she's like, we have not received your challenge ka video. So there was, I think, prank challenge, kuch to
या
challenge
या
upload kiya tha. And at that time also, my mom suddenly got sick, so I had to go there. ये सारी चीजें हो रही थी, and then I was like, कि let it be again. कोई बात नहीं. I think the universe does not want me to do it right now. ऐसी वाली feeling आई मुझे. But then she
या
called me again the other day and she's like, your intro video is really nice. We really want to send it ahead, but it's just that we have not received the challenges. So I was like, okay. So this happened. That girl kept calling me for like every other challenge, and then I had to then start putting those challenges up. So then I was like, ठीक है यार, कोई बात नहीं. Then one day, I think around 3:30, was just then voting ka, top 10 contestants of Battleground got
या
selected by Ranser, and then top 5 had to be selected after the voting.
या
So I was like, voting में तो इतने सारे, whatever the top 10 people were, they had like so many followers, more
या
than 100K for sure. So I was like, this also I can't beat now. Like, what do I do? But my friends, I can't tell you, like, I have good friends, like, who has good reach, good followers. So all of them put up my story. I had no idea
हाँ।
that they were going to do it. And then again, that day also, I was like, क्या ही हो जाएगा. 3:30 to 3:45, I'm getting this call from one of the guys from Roadies, and he's like, Nisha, you are selected in the top 5 of Battleground, and you have a flight tomorrow to catch. I was like, okay. I was still in the office. My office hours used to end like at 7 p.m. So I was like,
राइट।
shit. And that day I was already serving notice. So you can't just leave in
या
between.
या
I was like, damn, what do I do? I went to my manager. He was like crazy annoyed. और उसने मेरे को बोला कि ऐसे नहीं होता है and all of that. So I was like, I managed to convince him. That day, I was in the office till 11 o'clock because I had to do all the resignation ka process and everything. And guess what? I had no idea what am I keeping for my like clothes and everything. उन्होंने एक पूरा packing list भेज दिया था 40 दिन का. I was like, हाँ, okay, what do I do? So उस दिन तो कुछ भी नहीं हो पाया. Everything was closed. Like whatever clothes I had, I just managed to pack them. In the morning, I went here and there. जो आसपास मेरे पास stores हैं, I got a couple of pieces from there, and then I left. And that
Wow.
day also, my baggage, even after me not having clothes, mera baggage allowance, I had to pay like some 12,000 rupees over and above my, like whatever
Oh
my
my,
baggage limit was. Yeah, so
wow.
I was like so much in rush कि मैं पहले से कुछ courier नहीं करा पाया. I couldn't do anything. So
Yeah.
everything like was all at once. Then तब तक मेरे को कुछ sink in नहीं हुआ था because it was all happening very quickly.
Yeah. Yeah.
So then I went, the moment we landed and we went in the hotel, our phones were taken from us.
Okay.
तो ना ही मैं किसी दोस्तों को कुछ बता सकी. Like whosoever knew me closely, they only know. They only
Yeah.
knew that because और मैं किसी को inform ही नहीं कर पाई. I didn't have the time. And तभी तक भी कुछ sink in नहीं हुआ था. We stayed in the hotel for like 2-3 days. And then when we were like, "Ki, we have to go to
Yeah.
that campsite," we were like, shit, the moment. Tabhi tak bhi it was not sinking in. I'm being very honest. We were
Yeah.
walking towards the campsite and we then see the roadies double cross ka sign. Oh
Yeah.
my God. That is when we were like, sure, we are here. So it was all crazy. And our entry was pretty crazy because like we
Yeah.
had to, पांच लोग आ गए in the middle of the like
Yeah.
wildcards also is fine, but पांच लोग as wildcards is crazy. And there were
Agreed.
already a lot of people. And हम
Yeah.
लोगों ने भी ये सोचा था कि हम पांच लोग जा तो रहे हैं, but we might not be in the journey, all the five of us. ऐसा
Yeah.
कुछ होगा, कुछ tasks वास्क कुछ करने पड़ेंगे, ऐसा ऐसा होगा. And then
Yeah.
they told us कि you have to then convince like the gang members कि वो आपको अपनी टीम में ले ले, whatever. So all of that you guys must have seen.
Yeah. But
So,
how was it meeting Run? क्योंकि आपने रणविजय को of course जैसे हमने देखा है काफी सालों से, seeing him interacting with him on a personal level, how was that for you?
unreal. To be very honest, जब the first task day for us, जिसमें हमें double cross करना था,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? So that day only we saw him, right?
Right.
And I was like, this is like unreal. I can't, like, I didn't really speak to him much उस दिन. I was like, hi, ऐसे normally hi bye करा.
Yeah.
Then I started speaking to him in the vote outs. क्योंकि
Right.
वो vote outs में literally जब between the shoots he used to come to each gang and talk about like what's up and all of that. So that was really nice. So ऐसा होता है ना that on in real life people are nice because they are just how they want to be,
Yeah.
right? They
Yeah.
can put out themselves जैसा भी वो दिखाना चाहते हैं. But when you meet the person in real, then only
Yeah.
you know तभी आपको पता चलता है if they are still your inspiration.
Right.
So Gladly Rancher is still my inspiration.
Wow.
He's like so sweet and humble. Obviously, उनको इतना सारा roadies जैसा platform संभालना है, so he definitely has to be strict at
Yeah.
a point of time.
Of course.
But at the same time, he manages it really well. Matlab, he is affirmative. He's like, he knows how to deal with you. At the same time, he will not say anything which is disrespectful.
Agreed.
Yeah, so that's like really cool.
Wow. ओके बट जो एक आपकी एंट्री, आप लोगों की 5 लोगों की एंट्री तो शॉकिंग थी ही, साथ में गौतम गुलाटी एज अ गैंग लीडर. नोबडी थॉट, नोबडी एक्सपेक्टेड. आप लोगों का फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था, यू नो, विटनेसिंग दैट?
We didn't know ourselves कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है. We were like कि अभी हो गया ये जो भी है, शायद जो 4 गैंग मेंबर्स हैं, गैंग लीडर्स हैं, वो हमें किसी को एक एक करके चूज कर लेंगे, ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है. But then the entry of Gigi, oh my God, we were all shocked, to be very honest. Gigi came, we were still like, वो सिंक इन हो रहा था, तब तक दिवांशी एंड रुचिता केम. एंड वी डिडंट लाइक, हम पांचों को उनके बारे में कोई आइडिया
नहीं पता था.
कि
राइट.
कौन है. हमने बस ये सुना था कि देवांशी के बारे में सुना था और रुचिता के, that these were 2 girls जो वोट आउट हो गए थे पहले ही काफी.
Yeah.
So that is the only thing we knew. But then when they came and all that drama that was created, we were like, okay, great that they are in our gang because हमें
Yeah.
tea तो चाहिए because हमें नहीं पता अभी क्या चल रहा है. So that
Right.
was also like really interesting and shocking, to be very
Right.
honest.
But do you think that it was a disadvantage for you to, enter
Obviously.
midway?
Obviously, I think like किसी भी show में, not only for roadies, like any show, if you
Yeah.
enter as a wildcard, you definitely have a disadvantage because everybody will hate you just for the
Yeah.
fact कि आप बीच में कैसे आ गए, which makes sense. Like
Yeah.
even if I was there, जो PI से
Yeah.
contestants इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं and they're here, it's not that हमने मेहनत नहीं करी, it's just that कि उन्होंने वो journey पे ज़्यादा time दिया है.
Yeah.
And they're trying to
Agreed.
go ahead and make their own spots कि इतने लोगों को निकाल के we are there now, but then 5 लोग और आ जाते हैं तो मेरा तो वैसे ही दिमाग खराब हो जाता. So definitely it was a disadvantage.
कुछ regrets है about roadies आपके दिल में?
Honestly मुझे अब तो हो गया, अब तो नहीं कर सकते कुछ, but अब मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे regret तो नहीं है, but शायद अगर मैं PI के थ्रू जाती, it would have been a different story altogether. But again,
Right.
I do not think I'll keep this regret because I believe in this so much that whatever happens, happens for good. And
Right.
I'm glad that I took that opportunity कि even if मैं शुरुआत में नहीं गई, but मैं इसी साल रोडी.
Yeah.
Because this year's roadies
Right.
had like a different, ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं हुआ.
Agreed.
So I was like,
Yeah.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. I might not have been that much visible because obviously first reality show, also wild card, बहुत सारी चीजें हुई. But then
Yeah.
because of which I got other
Yeah.
opportunities, and then I'm really glad that that happened. So I think it was a stepping stone
Right.
for me to be. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, last question about roadies. One of the gang leaders, Elvish Yadav, crowd's favorite, सबके favorite कहीं ना कहीं बन चुके हैं. How was it interacting with him? और उनके साथ
I
कैसा
mean,
रहा?
even though he was not my gang leader, right? He used to always make
Yeah.
sure that like कुछ भी होता था ना, he used to favor us थोड़ा सा Gotham gang को for some reason. मतलब वो soft corner होता है ना कभी कभी
Agreed.
किसी के लिए. So that was always there, and I
Right.
felt that
Yeah.
regardless, like he is a roaster, right? So everybody knows he can be
Of
very
course. Yeah.
like कभी कभी वो roasting के चक्कर में he can be disrespectful, but he was not. So the fact that he used to make the one-liners बीच बीच में कुछ भी चल रहा है, बहुत serious
Yeah.
माहौल है, and then he's like
Yeah.
कुछ एक one-liner मार के सबको हंसा दिया. So that was like a really entertaining thing that he was there in the show.
Yeah.
So
Agreed.
I think he was like again like all the gang leaders for that matter, and
Yeah.
everybody these days ऐसा होता है ना जब when you reach to a level, then
Yeah.
you're like you become that kind of cold person who's like really disrespectful to people because they have achieved something. But I think
Yeah.
everybody was super nice in that context. कि कोई भी
Wow.
ऐसा नहीं था that I am this, and you are this.
Yeah.
Everybody was like super nice to everybody.